so empty like sky, without any sun. Lotus blossom, don't cry. You and I were meant to be one.
It's like a fucking landmine out here. Oh, not landmines, but there's fucking grenades everywhere. Dodge the grenades, folks, when you go out to the fucking town. Oh, liquor.
I come to you.
Dwarf that fucking bro.
My soul. So happy we two, like sparrows in spring. Lotus blossom, it's true. Me and you, like bow upon a string. I live for the day my journey will end. So I can touch you again, and in my dream you are always there. Fantasy, but then the film just breaks. Can touch
Paco dumbass. Woke up early the other morning. I think it was like 4:30, 4:45. I see you posted a video. Not sure what time it was. Obviously, you're up to like fucking 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. Some people have fucking night jobs. Some people, I'm a night owl. Shut the fuck up. Be a fucking man. Wake up first thing in the fucking morning. Fucking cunt. I made my video about you a while ago. And I thought, you know, that was squared off, like we knew where we stood. Then I watched the video, like, you know, I just made the video to give you tough love. You know, because you're old enough to probably be my fucking grandfather. So, you make a video. And then you start talking shit on me again. But not necessarily talking shit, but, you know. Put me in it. I don't appreciate that. Fucking neighbor.
Down the highway by two different winds. Lord only knows when I'll see you again. You're about as close as the stars up above. You're my long distance love. Kentucky bluebird, song today. TV in another hotel. Turn down the volume and stare at the wall. God, I wish you would call. Kentucky Bluebird, I heard your song today, but when I try to touch you, you fly away. How I hate the miles between us, they get longer each day. I had this dream, and you should have seen us holding each other and drifting away. Kentucky Bluebird, I heard your song today. When I try to touch you, you fly away. Kentucky Bluebird, I heard your song today, but when I try to touch you, you fly away.
Drink only malt liquor with the label out. The label out or get cussed the fuck out. If it's too tough, put your foot on it, pull it up. Shouts to Joe Skull. Kentucky Bluebird. No, folks, that ain't going just in the yard. That's my fire pit, literally right next to me. But if you care that much, fuck you. I smell the grill going.